Hey there Greymains, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Sword of Starlight in Crimson Desert. Now there are some things that you are going to have to do beforehand before you can get the Sword of Starlight. First off, over on your quest, go over to the faction quest and go over to the Skull Stone Institute. Inside this faction quest, there are a series of tasks that you have to do. First off, the 5-year over on the Research Institute. And then after that is the What the Stars Left Behind. Once you do this questline right over here, it gives you the ability to be able to observe constellations in the sky. In fact, there are 13 constellations in the game that you have to do, because this is crucial for you to get the Sword of Starlight. Once you have found all 13 constellations, back to the Skull Stone faction quest, you will then unlock the Maps of the Night Unveiled. If you take a look as well, that you have to head to the location guided by the constellations, and most importantly, this is Damien's story. So before you go to the location where I am right now on the map, and thankfully the quest will give you a marker which is over here to the Serpent Marsh, right next to the Dew Haven, or over here into the west of Delysia, or just right under Demonis. And also again, because this is Damien's story, I recommend summoning Damien beforehand and climb up here to the top. And then just press F1 or whatever input it is on your keyboard, and then hover over to Damien to switch over to her. Once you've switched over to her, just leave Cliff here on standby, and then walk up to this stone monument right over here. And it will say here, this is Damien's story, and then you can disband, and then walk up to the stone monument. And this will play a cutscene immediately. Now once you get the Sword of Starlight the first time, if you check over to its details and refinement information, it will start at least attack speed of 2, included with the Abyss Gear of attack speed of 3, then you can have attack speed of 5. At the max level, it will have an attack speed of 3 by itself, and then added by 3, you can have 6. And also with the Stamina Siphon of level 2 and a 40% damage to all walkers. And this is what the weapon would look like on Damien. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Sword of Starlight in Crimson Desert.